Welcome to the LIC Customer Portal app, your one-stop solution for all your policy-related queries. In this video, we will see how a registered user can apply for a loan through the Customer Portal app. First, we will select the Customer Portal app from our mobile, and then we will tap on the Registered Portal Users option. After filling in all our details and tapping on Sign In, our app will take us to our profile homepage. This will again open a pop-up message window, asking us to register our policies under Premier Services, in order to get enhanced services. For now, here, we will tap on Later. Then we will tap on Service Requests. This will open the service registration page. Now we will tap on the Service Requests option. This will open the Service Request registration page. Here we have to select the loan service request. To do so, we select the service request by tapping on the small arrow and selecting the loan option. This will open the loan page, where instructions for the whole loan application process will be given at the bottom. We will read all the instructions and then tap on the I agree checkbox and select Proceed. This will open the online loan request page. Here we need to enter an OTP, which will be sent to our registered mobile number. Then we will tap on the Submit button. This will open the online loan request page, where we will be asked to select the policy on which we want to apply for the loan. On selecting the policy, we will get to see the details like total eligible loan, outstanding loan amount, loan interest payable as on the date, net loan eligible, etc. We will scroll down and according to our need we will select whether we want full or partial loan, by selecting the appropriate radio button, under the Select Loan Option section. Let us select the full option for now. If we select partial option, we will be asked to enter the amount we want to take as loan. For now we will select the full option and tap on Next. This will take us to the confirmation page, which will have the information about the total loan applied, net loan payable, our bank account details and servicing branch address. It will also have instructions, asking us to change our bank details, if there are any changes in it. We will tap on No, if there is any change to be made, and on Yes, if no changes are required. Here, as our details are correct, we will tap on the Yes button. This will take us to the Submit Supporting Documents page. Here we will be provided with a service request number, and we now need to download a form by tapping on the small PDF icon at the top right corner, and fill up the form and along with all the required enclosures, as mentioned in the form, we will submit it at the nearest LIC branch. If we want to take another loan on another policy, we can tap on Yes, and select another policy, or else we will tap on No and return to our profile homepage. Thank you.